Assalamu alaikum students. I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School, class 8th and 9th, chapter number 5, number system. What is number system? Students, number system is a process which can understand the digits in different form. I explain another sense. Number system is a process to write and understand the different form of digits in different form. There are the four types of the number system. First type is binary number system, second type is octal number system, third type is decimal number system, and fourth type is hexadecimal number system. First types of number system. Types of number system. First is binary number system. Binary number system. Second is octal number system. Third is decimal number system. And fourth is hexadecimal number system. Now we explain the first binary number system. Binary number system is binary number system. Binary mean two things, only two. Binary mean two things. It means only two ones. It means only two things. Mean first is we can say that yes or no, true and false. It means on and off. And binary mean another sense. Binary mean is 0 and 1. But in computer system we study the number system. Number system consists of 0 and 1. In number system we study not the study yes or no study true false, no study on off. In the number system we study 0 and 1. It means binary number system consists of only two digits. Binary number system consists of only two digits in the form of 0 and 1. And one thing more, in the binary number system, after the two digits, the base of the binary number system is 2. The base of the binary number system is 2. If we write any term 1101, I know that this is which type of term. When we put the bracket around and write the base, when we write the base is 2, no, I easily understand this term is a binary number system. This term is a binary number system. It means the base is very necessary to write with the term. Otherwise we have no conclusion about the term. It is binary number system or hexadecimal number system or any other system. Students, second type is octal number system. Second type is octal number system. Octal number system meaning 8th. Octal word is derived from the octet. Octet meaning 8th. It means octal number system consists of 8 digits. Octal number system consists of 8 digits. The digits of the octal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the number of octal number system. It means octal number system is consist of the 8 digits and its base is octal number system. These are the number of the octal number of the octal system. And second is base of the octal number is 8th. The base of the octal number is 8th. We can say that after the last number, the next digit is the base of the number system. It means when binary number system, the last word is 1 and next digit is 2, we can say that 2 is the base of the binary number system. And same, the last digit is 7 and the next digit is the base of the octal number system. It means the base of octal number system is 8. The base of octal number system is 8. If we write the term, I write 1, 4, 6 and put the base is 8. No, this is the term of octal number system. The base is 8, show the term of octal number system. If we write in 0, 1, 1, 1, these number are the binary number, but these two number are including in octal number system. These two number are including in octal number system. If we put the base around is 8, no, these digits are not including in binary number system. No, at this time this term is including in octal number system. It means base showing the octal number system. Students, the third type of the number system is decimal number system. The third type of the number system is decimal number system. Now I explain the decimal number system. Decimal number system. Deci mean 10. 10th part. Deci mean 10th part. It means 10. We can say that the decimal number system consists of 10 digits. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits. The number of the decimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are 0 to 9 are the number of decimal number system. It means that decimal number system consists of the 10 digits and base of the decimal number system is 10. If we write any term 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5, these three number are including in octal number system. 3 is also included in octal number system, 4 is also included in octal number system, 5 is included in octal number system. But when we put the base around these number is 10, no, this term is included in decimal number system. When we put the same term is 3, 4 and 5, put the base is 8, no, this term is belong to the octal number system. This term is belong to the octal number system. And the same situation, 1, 0, 1, put the base 2, no, this term is belong to the binary number system. When put 1, 0, 1, base is 8, no, this belong to the octal number system. When the same term is 1, 0, 1 put the base 10, this number is belong to the decimal number system. It means the decimal number system is consist of the 10 digits and its base is 10. Students, last type of the number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system mean hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits, including some digits are numeric digits and some digits are including in alphabetics. It means they consist of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. No, 0 to 9 are including in a decimal number system, but they are including in hexadecimal number system, and 0 to 9 number are including in both system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system, and 0 to 9 number system are the numeric number system, and after that these number 10 to 15, these number are not written in this decimal number system in numeric form. When we write the 10, we replace with A, and 11 replace with B, 12 replace with C, 13 replace with D, 14 replace with E, 15 replace with F. If we write F, it mean these are 15, but we do not choose 15, 14, 13, 10, 12, 11, 10 are in hexadecimal number system, because 1 and 2 are also included as a digits. 1 and 2 we write 15, 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5 digits are also included in hexadecimal number system in the previous counting. We write any term 1, 4, 5. After that we write in 10. We do not write is 10. We replace with the A. No, put the base is 16. I read the number 0 to 15. It means that after the 15, the next digit is 16. 16 is a base of hexadecimal number system. 16 is a base of hexadecimal number system. We can say that the hexadecimal number system consists of the two types of digits. It's mean binary, it's mean numeric digits and alphanumeric digits A, B, C, D and F, and its base is 16. If we write 4, 5, 6, A, B, E, this is the form of the hexadecimal number system. If we write 1, A, B and F, this is the form of the hexadecimal number system. Thanks. Students, chapter number 5 start from students 8th and 9th class, chapter number 5, page number 1 to 4. Yani mean first 4 pages, read the first 4 pages. On the first 4 pages, the number system and the types of the number system, and also learn the definition of the binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system on these pages. Thanks.